Welcome to another day in the life of Jack, the IT guy. Jack's company has remote offices and mobile workers all over the world who need to communicate and access applications over a wide area network. But not all applications were designed to run over a wide area network. People can't collaborate and applications have ground to a halt. Road warriors can't get their hands on data when they need it, and the networks are overloaded. Jack has a big dilemma: what to do? Jack is adding more bandwidth because he figures bigger pipes, stuff goes faster. Actually, you can have plenty of bandwidth and still have slow apps. Why? Latency, the back and forth time of chatty applications. Over a WAN, this latency gets magnified, requiring thousands of back and forth trips just to get a little bit of information across the network. The Riverbed Steelhead product family is the solution. Running Rios, the Riverbed optimization software, it can be deployed as appliances, mobile clients, virtual appliances, and even instances in the cloud. No matter how it's deployed, Rios will simultaneously address bandwidth limitations, TCP and UDP performance, and application protocol chattiness. Using their patented data streamlining algorithms, Steelhead products can reduce WAN traffic by 60 to 95% while also supporting quality of service. Saving bandwidth is good, but high latency and chatty protocols can still make applications really slow. The chattiness problem has two parts: transport level and application level protocols. So Steelhead products have separate optimizations for both. Transport streamlining makes TCP more efficient, and TCP is used by the vast majority of your application traffic. That means fewer round trips and more data per trip, which adds up to much higher throughput. Steelhead products use application streamlining to accelerate the steps the application protocol is about to take and keep most of the chattiness off the WAN. Only the Steelhead products offer the Riverbed optimization system, and its clever combination of data streamlining, transport streamlining, and application streamlining delivers up to 100 times faster application performance. Now all employees have access to fast applications. Engineers in Shanghai are collaborating in real time with their colleagues in Silicon Valley. Now that applications were performing optimally, Jack shifted his focus to another IT challenge: complete server consolidation. The first set of servers Jack wanted to consolidate were the dedicated yet underutilized servers running print, DNS, and DHCP in each of his branch offices. Once again, Jack turned to Riverbed and discovered that he can host virtual machines directly on his branch Steelhead EX appliances. Wow! Fast applications and consolidated branch services. Jack was impressed, although he didn't realize that some big challenges were still ahead of him. Jack was feeling pretty good about having saved his company money consolidating some applications and branch services while also putting out all those fires. And then there was an actual fire in one of the branch offices in Australia. Jack was in real trouble because he realized the Sydney office ran several unprotected custom applications hosting vital corporate data. In fact, many of his company's branch offices had custom and write-intensive applications running locally that he hadn't been able to back up centrally. Some backups couldn't be completed over the WAN, and some offices still backed up to tape, which was only moved off-site on occasion.
If only I could centralize all those custom applications and data from the branch offices.
As he thought about it more, centralizing his applications and data would be cheaper, more secure, simpler to manage, and easier to recover if another disaster occurred. As a trial, Jack decided to centralize local applications from a regional engineering office in Germany. Immediately, Jack got complaints from users. Applications weren't just slow, some didn't work, period. Jack also realized the central applications might not be accessible if the WAN link to the German office went down. What to do? Then Jack remembered his friends at Riverbed, the kings of consolidation. Riverbed had helped consolidate servers within the branch already. Perhaps they could help consolidate the remaining applications and data as well. Riverbed Granite with Blockstream technology allows end users and applications to access and write to centralized storage as though it were local. By using block caching and acceleration across the WAN, Granite projects data from the data center as if it were local to the branch. When combined with Steelhead appliances, Granite allows Jack to pull all those custom applications and islands of unprotected data out of branch offices and back into the corporate data center without hindering application performance in branch offices. In fact, Jack can even boot machine images quickly across the WAN, so branch offices can be quickly provisioned or quickly recovered from an outage. Jack really has the consolidation thing down. His servers, applications, and storage are running at peak efficiency and utilization in the data center, where he can easily manage them and keep data secure. Branch services are also consolidated onto the Riverbed Virtual Services platform. Jack's saving money on his infrastructure equipment as well as his time managing systems. Now, when headquarters wants to roll out a new office, Jack knows his response.
No problem.
Jack knows that with Steelhead and Granite, they'll have access to everything they need to get to work. Now you know Jack's secret. What are you waiting for? Consolidate